1 and go. Hello guys, we're talking about Eric Trent. Let's go to the YouTube channel now. Eric Trent. This is the most hated YouTuber. Oh yeah. There's many of expos of Eric Trent. Yeah. Many. But not this. They're not Eric Trent. But this is the real Eric Trent. But it's kinda mean that name. It's kinda bad. It look like a Ohio made from Skibidi Toilet. I wonder how did he get that name. Damn, he eating my diabetes food. Damn, Eric Trent is fighting a guy. Damn, Eric Trent, can you even fight anyone in school? I kinda feel bad. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Spranky, and you're kinda bad at doing that. This is why you got many views, cause people come to here. So bye bye.